2964, affirmative 5500, 49200.
Advise prior to descending and let me know when you're able to pick up the current unit. That's executive number showing Romeo. That might change by the time you get there.
Roger, we'll identify you, 49200.
Temperature 18, 2.13, altimeter 2965. Visual approach to runway 20. Bird advisories are in effect. Crane 3.1 nautical miles northeast at 500 feet of Sacramento Executive. Unable VFR practice pattern work, advise on initial contact, we have Romeo. Goodbye. Hello, Executive Tower, Mission Romeo, time 2253 Zulu, wind 190 at 3, weather better than 5005, temperature 2.13, altimeter 2965, visual approach to runway 20, Crane 3.1 nautical miles northeast at 500 feet of Sacramento Executive. Unable VFR practice pattern work, advise on initial contact, we have Romeo. Goodbye.
Southwest 1338, Delta 1342, speed 210 or less.
B210 left, Delta 1342.
Southwest 800, contact Alpha Tower 125.7 today.
25-7, Southwest 800, good day.
South 1330, roger that, time maintain 3000.
3000, South 1338, what heading was it again, 270?
Affirmative, maintain that present heading you're on right now. South 3020, Charlie Apollo is a 1 to 3 o'clock at 5 miles, the base is like the final company, 7 out of 2000.
Looking 3020.